So this is the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max Graphite 256GB. So this year they sent like a new box, not the typical white chunky box. So let's go. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Nice. A nice chunky phone. It's very chunky. And this is like a weird, it's like so out. Look at this. It's very cold, the phone, so it's just marking everywhere. See what else is in the box before we go into the phone. So here is just the pin for the SIM card. Oh, there's an Apple sticker as well. And a lightning cable to USB-C, just like the MacBook that charges through USB-C as well. Yeah, everything else, buttons exactly the same, it feels exactly the same. That's noise, very noise, very noise, very noise. And that's it.